Camera to camera.
Am I gonna be in your vlog?
What's that?
Am I gonna be in your vlog?
Yes. What's going on, everybody? We're on our way to the leadership dinner. Right here we got the A1 shooter, Steve-O, aka 8 Code, in the house. Matthew Thayer, Joey Wilson.
Yo, yo.
And then we got, there she is, the woman of the hour, Medina Hamidi.
Guys, I'm dying.
Let's go. So we're about to head over here
Oh, here we are. Just who I was looking for.
to the dinner. So this is actually the place where we're actually having the event. That's the dinner. So
Hello again.
hello, hello. There she is.
Yes. There we go.
There we go.
Yes.
Camera to camera.
Am I gonna be in your vlog?
What's that?
Am I gonna be in your vlog?
Yes.
Nice.
You got something to say?
I'm just feeling grateful, man. I'm in Germany, new country for me.
Hey. That's why we love Steve-O.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go do this leadership dinner. See y'all in a bit. So you guys going golfing, huh?
I'd like to.
Yeah.
I'm gonna set up our thing so we can start playing pickleball.
I mean, it would be cool to play golf. You just have to.
No, we're not playing pickleball. We're not playing golf.
But why?
Noah said this because he sucks so bad at it. He said this is a very expensive sport to suck at for a very long time. Like you suck at it for like years.
But is golf really that expensive?
it's so hard to play. It's $100 a round plus if you buy drinks. But not for us.
Have you ever played in True North in AZ?
Bro, the round plus
Bro, in
clubs,
Arizona, you used to get like
balls,
$25 tee times, like 6 a.m. in July.
You played?
I used to. I suck. I used to go with my friends. It was a good thing to do. It was fun. We used to do a lot of tournaments. You starting to pick up a lot of habits these days, like a lot of hobbies.
How? Well,
What do you mean? We got one hobby that me and you both share now.
Oh, there you go.
Then you got basketball.
I
You
mean,
got
I'm
football.
playing, but there's
Now
definitely
you
an
wanna
itch
pick up
for it
golf.
if you start playing.
I mean,
In the United
Everything's with the team.
States.
Golf is with the
It's
team.
beautiful.
uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's just
Playing video games is with the team.
Who said video games?
Perfectly groomed and trees
one that
and
you
lakes.
play.
Yeah, it's
Don't try to
At least-
gaslight
at least
me,
my-
Maddie.
hey, at least-
I'm the last
listen.
person that you want to gaslight.
Listen, hey, at least my hobby's not doing golf.
Has nothing
This
to
isn't
do with me.
Coca-Cola.
That is a Coca-Cola from Germany. Not an American Coke.
Tastes
It
like
does not taste
I
like
taste the
American.
aspartame.
try Diet Coke.
No, it's not. That's the regular.
Gross.
Not off topic or anything, but are you guys watching Fousey's comeback on
Bro.
TikTok? Really?
Did you see it? Bro, he literally fasted the devil out of himself. He did that 30-day fast, actually 40 days.
Very true.
All water.
No, I watched all of
Yeah,
it.
and then,
I tried
bro,
to
the other day I watched his video and he's like, okay, guys, so today, bro, the way he explains how he's doing things now, he's like articulating every
He's
word.
so smart, but he's such a dictard.
But I think a lot of that, bro, was to build. So Fusi too, he's a vlogger.
No, he just
Yeah.
He's a streamer.
crash out.
Psycho.
Like, foods, lifestyle, crash outs.
And then he went to
He was like the OG YouTuber
like,
back before Logan and Jake Paul, and he just had these crash outs over the last few years that were absolutely
Yeah, crash out. You know what it means
straight
to
up fighting
crash out?
people.
Like when you just crash out.
It's the new word they're saying these days.
It's what the kids are using.
Bro, but he basically assaults someone every day on his live streams, just going crazy, whether it's his team or security or. but
Bro,
then
he was in a
fucking-
hotel room, called the police, and was like, people are trying to kill me. So they came to his
No, he's
hotel
live,
room,
and it's crazy.
and the cops are like, okay, who's trying to kill you? He's like, you guys! Like, shuts the door, doesn't let them in.
Regardless, he pulls up. Ramadan hits. This
Ramadan.
dude's like, twack out. He's like, because he's Middle Eastern, so he's diving into Ramadan. This motherfucker goes cold turkey, everything. No food, no anything other than water. 30 days, no drugs, no nothing. And he's been on all that shit. So he went through it in 30 fucking days, and he is like smart, diced, glowing. I mean, it's crazy.
Here. What's going on, everybody? Here we are in Wiesbaden. We're going to be having an event right here tomorrow. There's going to be over 600 plus people here to learn more about what we do. Look at this amazing place. I've never seen an event center like this before. This event is going to be absolutely legendary, and it's going to light the European market on fire. If you are not here, part of what we're doing, you're 100% missing out. Tomorrow, here will be magic. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? Here we are, day 3 in Wiesbaden.
Yeah.
So what were you saying there, Joey?
I said, this is about as good as it gets as far as weather in Germany. We're in Wiesbaden. They have amazing Venus Schnitzel.
He keeps saying that, but he hasn't even had the Venus Schnitzel yet.
He did last night.
buddy, old pal.
He had it last night.
So yeah, guys, this is day 3. The event's still happening. It's intermission. We're gonna go grab some pizza. Believe it or not, we had some pizza yesterday. It's really good. So we're gonna go to that spot again. Right, Medina? Look at her pink outfit.
Hello.
Let me see.
This the pizza place right here?
Huh?
That looks
I mean, this doesn't look too. Yeah, I mean, it's an absolutely lovely day. Guys, look at this florist shop to the right.
Oh my god, guys, I love this place. It smells so good.
Dude, look inside.
Her flowers. What? Did you not send her anything? Send
It's
her some
fucking
flowers
Mother's
to the
Day.
house.
Don't you turn this around on me. Hey, listen, when you're
Did you
pointing
get-
a finger at me, remember
Hold
you're
on.
pointing 3 others back at yourself. You need to take care of her.
Wait, did you get Brittany a Mother's Day gift? Yes or
Her
no?
full name is Britt, but yeah.
Her full name is
Oh yeah, I got a little surprise, and it's something I ain't gonna be talking about here. It's private, brother.
Did you get Hannah
Wouldn't
anything?
you
for
like
I
Mother's
sent
Day?
my
Hey.
mother and Hannah a ton of flowers.
Wouldn't y'all like to know? Wouldn't y'all like to know?
It's green. Green means go. Thanks. Thank you. The guy like said go. Like, he fucking gave us an attitude. Look at it.
He's like, oh shit, they're gonna catch it on tape. Never mind.
That's what I got.
Oh, let's see what he got.
Wow.
Mom's on top, Hannah's on the bottom.
Everybody should learn from Matthew Thayer. Like, not only is he an amazing leader, he's an amazing networker, but he's an incredible son and an incredible husband. So if you're watching this right now, learn from this guy. And not to mention, the guy's physically fit. What are you at? Like 13% body fat now?
14.
14. I'm sorry, that was wrong. What's your goal?
12.
12%. Amazing.
All the way down from 25.
So he was at 25% body fat.
He's trying to go down from 280, and I'm trying to go up to 280, if you know what I'm saying.
You want to hit 280?
280 lean? What?
Yeah, freaking.
Good morning. I don't understand why you're leaning on me when I barely am.
6:52 a.m. 6:52 a.m. On our way to Sweden for an event with Mr. Michael Amberger, Neil, his team. We get to see Wesley today, Tobias. We got Joey and Maddie with us as well. So we're about to make this an amazing trip in Sweden. Be in Sweden until like Tuesday. And then after that we go to Czech. But yeah, didn't get much sleep last night. How much sleep did you get?
Like an hour and a half too.
An hour and a half. I got like 4, right?
Just got knocked out. I took a
Once
shower.
the event yesterday was incredible.
It was.
Yeah, I mean, it was sick. It was beautiful.
Well, I'm doing something right now, so.
What are you doing? Why don't you tell the camera what you're doing?
You know, when Ollie has things to do, he just like disregards
So
everything
anyway,
everybody else is doing. Here's one of a pure example of his selfishness.
We're a bit tired. We landed in Sweden, and the event starts at like 3:30. So yeah, how long is this flight? Like 2 hours? Yeah. 2 hours. Sweden, take a nap, move on to our next destination. But it's been great. Had so much fun. Fun fact, Germany. First time I ever went to Germany. It was amazing. And I've actually never been to Sweden. So 2 countries back to back that I've never done before. So I think that puts us at like 26 countries so far, which is great. And I'm just trying to watch UFC. It's a very important fight because the winner of this fight will fight. Well, basically, if Bilal wins, obviously Islam's not going to fight him. So yeah, see how things play out. I'm really excited for Sweden. And then after Sweden, guys, we're going to Dubai. Dubai is oh, actually, we go to Czech first. Then we go.
Yeah, so like I sit here every single day and I ask him.
Nice.
This is his way of gaslighting me, and then when he doesn't have a flight or it costs extra, then he's gonna sit there and explode on me, and then I'm gonna get an anxiety attack because he's upset. This is what happens, guys. This is what happens. Who doesn't know their tour dates?